Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Expedition cup holder. First, let's identify the common problems you might be facing, such as a cup holder that is stuck, broken, or simply not functioning correctly. We will also discuss the basic tools you will need for this repair, including a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and some general-purpose cleaner. Understanding these initial steps will set you up for a successful repair. Often, a sticky or non-functional cup holder simply needs a good cleaning. Begin by removing any visible debris like crumbs or coins from the area. Next, apply a mild cleaning solution to a cloth and thoroughly wipe down all surfaces, paying close attention to the moving parts. Sometimes, a simple obstruction is the culprit, so ensure nothing is blocking the cup holder's path. This step can resolve many common issues. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, you might have a minor mechanical problem. Carefully inspect the spring mechanism. Sometimes it can become dislodged or lose tension. You may need to reattach or adjust it. Also, check for any loose trim pieces or plastic components that might be interfering with the cup holder's operation. A small amount of silicone lubricant, applied sparingly, can often help restore smooth movement to stiff parts. When minor repairs are not enough, a full replacement might be necessary, especially if internal components are severely damaged. You have options: an original equipment manufacturer or OEM part, or a high-quality aftermarket alternative. Be sure to research compatibility for your specific Expedition model. Installation typically involves removing a few screws and disconnecting electrical connectors, then reversing the process for the new unit. This ensures a lasting fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.